I'm going to show you a smart beacon tracking application that's taken advantage of Nordic's Edge AI Lab to build a custom Neuton model that can run inference on the smart beacon sensor itself. So here are some of those smart beacons. These are actually based on the NRF54L and have been attached to some of the boxes we take to things like trade shows. So those are using the Blecon network to track their location and synchronize data. And if we go over to the tracking application, so you can see some of the devices being tracked here. And in fact, let me just turn on the history. So you can see these packages have actually been all over the world, through San Francisco to get to LA for an event there. Or if I just zoom in here, you'll see here's some that went to Germany for an event we went to there. So these smart beacons are being tracked by the Blecon network and synchronizing events and things like that. They're logging as they go. But what's quite interesting with some of these devices is they're also running a custom Neuton model. So if I just scroll down and look at this device, you can see, along with temperature and humidity events that were being recorded, and obviously the location that's being tracked, there are actually some device activity events. So these are the result of taking data from the accelerometer in this device, feeding that into the Nordic AI Lab, and using that to train and generate a custom Neuton model. So you can see it's been generating shaking events, some shocked events, or even it's detected that it's being transported on a vehicle. I guess what was particularly interesting about this is that we took advantage also of NRF Cloud. So once the team had generated the custom Neuton model, they were able to deploy this to the fleet of smart beacons using Cloud OTA. And that meant actually while these were in transit, the AI functionality, the AI inference that the custom Neuton model gave us was able to be deployed, and those events starting to be captured without any intervention by anyone. So if we just go back to here, what we have is a NRF54L based smart beacon that's running the NRF Connect and Blecon SDKs to allow it to be tracked and synchronize data with the cloud. And on top of that, running Memfault to be able to do OTA and diagnostics, and a custom Neuton model that was generated with Nordic's Edge AI Lab